Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to make iPhone display black and white. Here are the steps to make your iPhone display black and white, grayscale on iOS. First is to unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Tap Display and Text Size. Scroll down and tap Color Filters. Toggle the color filters switch to on. Here, you will see multiple filter options appear. Tap Grayscale to make your display black and white. Now, your iPhone screen will immediately change to grayscale. Adjust the intensity slider, if available, on some iOS versions to fine tune the black and white effect. To quickly toggle grayscale on and off, just go back to Accessibility shortcut. Settings, Accessibility, Accessibility shortcut. Choose Color Filters as your shortcut option. Now, you can triple click the side button or home button on older iPhones to turn grayscale on or off instantly. Open Apps, Messages, and Photos to see everything in black and white. To revert back to full color, either toggle color filters off in Settings or use the Accessibility shortcut if set up. Tip: using grayscale can help reduce screen distractions and may slightly save battery life on some device. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.